Mithril is live on the Cardano Mainnet. It is still a very simple version of this protocol, but nonetheless, it is an exciting step in the right direction. Mithril is a scheme that allows to significantly reduce the time required to sync with the blockchain. Traditionally, this could take hours and even days, or at least a whole day, but in this case, it will only take about 23 minutes, a significant improvement. We'll update you on the progress with Mithril and explain you why this development is so important for the Cardano blockchain on this video. So, what is Mithril? Mithril is a stake-based signature protocol designed to improve the speed and efficiency of node syncing times in the blockchain. Syncing with the blockchain is a process that would take you at least a few hours to get done or more, as we stated in the intro. But right now, as you can see here, we have this example of a stake pool operator that was able to sync Mithril in about 23 minutes, which is incredible, I would say. Mithril is important because it will increase the overall efficiency and scalability to cater for new apps, new use cases, and in fact, it will become much faster, easier, and much more efficient for projects and individuals to be able to sync directly with the blockchain instead of being forced to use third-party services. This means by connecting directly with the blockchain, it will be a much more decentralized and secure kind of connection than if they would be using this centralized point of failure that would be these third-party apps. So, as we stated, this adds security to the blockchain because it's more easy to individuals to connect directly with the blockchain, interact directly with the blockchain with no intermediaries in the middle, and also to verify the blockchain. And it will naturally increase the level of decentralization and security in the Cardano blockchain. Mithril achieves all of these to a complex but transparent signature-based scheme, as you can see here. But I'll do my best right now in this video to explain this in a simpler way, in an easier way that you can understand. But basically, Mithril allows you to create a network of Mithril signers that are responsible to create snapshots and verifiable certificates of the blockchain to ensure a fast bootstrap of the Cardano node, because instead of having to sync in with all the transactions, all the blocks since the genesis blocks until the tip, you'll be able to sync directly with these verifiable certificates. Mithril is a protocol that runs on top of the Cardano blockchain, and with Mithril, it is as if you were able to compact a lot of blockchain data without sacrificing security. In fact, Mithril has the possibility to carry the same level of security, to have the same level of security as the Ouroboros protocol, the consensus of the Cardano blockchain, as it uses the same model of security. So as long as we have all the Cardano SPOs that are validating the Cardano blockchain joining in the Mithril network, the level of security will be exactly the same. If you are an SPO or you plan to become one and you want to get involved with Mithril and help basically decentralize the blockchain, decentralize the usage of the blockchain, and also make syncing directly with the blockchain much faster and efficient, I'll leave a link in the description with this SPO onboarding guide for you to take a look and go through the process. Here you have all the information you need, and it's also a valuable resource for anyone wanting to learn more about Mithril, I would say. In terms of roadmap, Mithril is working hard towards becoming a fully decentralized ecosystem. They started by launching the Mithril beta on the Cardano mainnet that has just happened right now, where we could see the improved node syncing times. The next milestone is the Mithril MVP that aims to be an incentive protocol designed for essential use cases. And by 2024, Mithril aims to become fully decentralized and provide a robust infrastructure for a diverse set of applications within Cardano to be able to use Mithril and to connect directly to the blockchain. You might be asking yourself, what are some of these use cases that could actually benefit a lot of having a protocol like Mithril? Well, we have, for example, efficient voting systems where Mithril can play a crucial role. Thanks to the enhanced staking capabilities that facilitate stake-based voting applications, we can have, through Mithril, a truly decentralized decision-making process. Or, for example, Mithril can play a huge role in securing liquid wallets that, instead of relying on third-party APIs to connect with the blockchain, they can benefit from Mithril by easily connecting to the blockchain in a pretty efficient way, both in terms of time and in terms of resources. In addition, Mithril will also facilitate the deployment of light clients and mobile apps that can connect directly to the blockchain. If this is being an interesting video for you so far, and one that is helping you understand or better understand Mithril under a more simple lens, please just leave me a like and share this video to reach anyone that might be interested in Cardano and learning more about Mithril. And of course, if you have any questions or any comments about this video, please drop them in the description. I opted to try to keep it simple and short, so I hope you enjoy that. But basically, the launch of Mithril, that was what we were talking about, was an important moment for the whole community. And we already had stake pool operators like, for example, Digital Fortress successfully integrating Mithril signers on the mainnet, as we can see here. Or, for example, as we've seen before, we had the Atada stake pool that, using Mithril, was able to sync into the Cardano node on the mainnet in under 23 minutes. So certainly some exciting news in the Cardano blockchain, and it's great to see the continuous development of Cardano and improvement, with always a lot of features coming and being developed. And the best part is that you can also participate actively in the development and the change of the Cardano blockchain. Cardano is working hard towards decentralizing the governance of its blockchain with the CIP 1964, and it's also creating institutions to help and assist in the governance process. One of these institutions is the Intersect's members-based organization that will play a crucial role in the creation and the execution of the Cardano Roadmap, and where everyone interested in Cardano is welcome to join, welcome to participate, to discuss, and to collaborate. In fact, you can join Intersect as a founding member right now. You can learn all about Intersect in this video you have here in the final screen, and you'll also be able to learn there how you can join as a founding member and what is in it for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the video about the Intersect MBO.